Hi guys, today I will introduce you all types of xenon headlights for Audi A4 B6 models, basically from 2000 till 2005. 2005 is more or less for the Avant Combi models. As you can see, there are a lot of xenon headlights here. All of them are xenon type headlights, although they look identical, some of them. They are different. What I mean by different, although externally, as you can see, these three headlights, the first three headlights are all chrome bezel types. They are externally same, but as far as the xenon system is concerned, they are different. That's to say, internally they are different. You can see externally, basically these are three types. One chrome bezel, the second one gray bezel, and the third one is bi-xenon gray bezel. They are all different, especially the bi-xenon configuration headlight is completely different xenon system, nothing to do with the standard type xenon system. Let's start with the oldest version of the Audi A4 B6 xenon headlights. This is so-called 6-pin xenon system. It has a 6-pin ballast located underneath the headlight. Basically it's this one. Now let's see. It has a integrated igniter. The system is composed of one 6-pin Valeo xenon ballast and one D2S type xenon bulb. This is the oldest version, and it's very hard to find these days exactly this 6-pin version of this headlight. Next, I will show you the next xenon headlight. Again, absolutely the same xenon headlights as far as external shape is concerned. Again, it's chrome type, but it has a completely different xenon ballast. This is the so-called 12-pin xenon ballast located underneath the headlight. This one. Again, it's Valeo made. Let me show you inside. Here, unlike the previous one, now you have a D1S type xenon bulb. The bulb is different, and of course the ballast unit located underneath is different. This is the second type. Let me show you the bulb. D1S type bulb. And then we have the third one. And this is the most recent one. Basically, it's used from 2001 till 2005, till the end of the model. Let's look underneath the headlight. You will see that it's completely different one from the previous ones. The first, oldest one had 6-pin. The next one had 12-pin Valeo xenon ballast, and the most recent one has a 4-pin, so-called 4-pin Valeo made xenon ballast. Internally, it's same as with the 12-pin xenon ballast. Again, you have a D1S type xenon bulb as the previous one. In the next videos, I will show you how to troubleshoot and repair all these xenon headlights. Let me show you the next version of the Audi A4 B6 models. This is the gray bezel version. This version is used as basically at S-line models. It is same as with the last version. It again is it's with the 4-pin, so-called 4-pin Valeo xenon ballast, and D1S type xenon bulb. The only difference is that externally it has a gray bezel. Here it's a gray bezel. And the last one I want to show you is the bi-xenon configuration xenon headlight. This one is the bi-xenon. Again, it's with the gray bezel, but if I turn it upside down, you will see that there is nothing underneath the headlight. The ballast unit at the bi-xenon headlights are located behind the back cover. Bi-xenon headlight means that both your low beam and the high beam bulb is at your xenon bulb. That's to say, your D1S type xenon bulb is both for low beam and a high beam. I guess that's all for the xenon headlights of A4 B6 models. I will start to review them individually in the next videos, one by one, and I will show you how to troubleshoot and eventually repair them, every single one. Let me think whether I have forgotten something. It seems that this is all for the types of the xenon headlights of Audi A4 B6 models. Thanks for watching, guys. All the best. Bye for now.